Here's an update on the old 69 Chevy. It's about 56 degrees out here. I just turned the heater off so you can hear me. You can't hear me with that old noisy thing on, but LMC truck right there. $400 something worth of parts come in about a week ago, about 2 weeks ago, and I got my insides done, well, painting wise done. Got my new dash pad in. Here's the paint. Got the new headlight, lens in, the new dome light. But yeah, it's been they put the new heater or the heater stuff in. But yeah, here, let's see, I'll show you what else. Well, right over here, there's my hood where I got it trimmed out. Got it black underneath, but new door panels for it. There's my glove box lid. Just keep sticking here, keep getting scratched up. But heater hoses. Got two new things for the door seals. I got my hood hinges on and my cowl bolted on. There's a 305. Got my battery in. And that's just about it, I reckon. Yeah, I got my new dash pad on. It looks a lot better now. Oh yeah, my paint looks good too. Pretty damn nice up there around through here. But yeah, that really sets it off. But yeah, well, there's just an update on it. I'm gonna get some more stuff put on here, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.